Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Bongnatic, and I'm Pallavi Das with you guys. So welcome back to my channel guys, and today is going to be another review video. So today I'm going to review the not a newly launched, again this was launched quite a few months back. So this was the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation and their concealer. So I'm going to review both of this in this video. So if you're interested to know the review of this video, then keep on watching. And guys, if you want to see this eye look which I created, this is a very soft olive cut crease look which you can wear in any party look, or also even if you're going for an outing, you can definitely wear this if you just remove the false lashes. And if you want to see this look which I've created, then head up to my Instagram, which is the direct link is given in the description, or you can put this name in the search button and search my account and follow me there, because I upload many videos over there. So keep following me there. Also I upload a lot of updates as well. So let's not further ado and let's get started with today's video. I'm going to talk about first the foundation, which is this bottle. So you can see this bottle, it is a glass bottle with a plastic cover. So you get a pump over here which is quite easy to use, but you need to be careful with the bottle because it is a glass bottle, so it's not very travel friendly. It is not very travel friendly. What is wrong with me? It is not very travel friendly. Yeah. So by the way, I'm in the shade which is golden, which is actually a little bit dark because these days you're not going out guys, so I'm not getting tan as well, and I'm doing a proper skincare. So this is a little bit dark, but I feel during when I'll start going out and I'll get tan, and this will be my right shade that time. But I can manage this up with brightening concealer and brightening my sides over here. So I can manage it up. You can see in the demo how I use this. So I think I'll show you the demo first and then I'll talk about both of this product. Before that, I'll just speak a little bit about this concealer. So this is how the concealer looks like. This is also a glass bottle, but I don't think so this will break easily. So by the shade is my wrong shade. You can definitely understand it's way too light. It's a kind of a very much brightening concealer. I do not use a very brightening concealer, but this is quite brightening. But again, I'll manage it because I use the Fit Me loose powder, which is in the shade medium, which is exactly my shade. So this kind of just lowers the so much brightening thing in this concealer. So I just manage it with that powder itself. I actually like using my skin tone concealer, not very brightening concealer. I use little bit like one tone brighter, but I do not use this bright concealer. So if I go for another shade, I might get it right, but for now I'm happy with this shade only. So let's start with the demo first, and then I'll be showing you some clips which I recorded when the day which I was wearing this foundation and this concealer for a whole day. So I'm going to show you that clip as well, and then I'll be coming with the review. So guys, here I'm wearing the Can't Stop Won't Stop NYX foundation and the concealer as well. You can see it's been half an hour I'm wearing this, so I will be wearing this for today for the full day. So then I'll be giving my sum up review, a little bit like one day wearing review. And you can see the coverage is really good. It has covered all my dark spots and pimples as well. Also the concealer coverage is really nice. So for now it is quite good. So guys, you can see the coverage of the foundation. It's still intact, it's still high coverage, and I think it feels a little dry, so I wouldn't suggest dry skin people to get this foundation. And if you get this, then use some oil or moisturizer with it, because it's little dry. Like I have an oily to combination skin, it is little dry, and I was wearing the mask for the whole day. Like I was out for the whole day, so I was wearing the mask, and you can see it did not come off from here. The mask was from here. It did not come off, or it also did not left any patches or any dry patches. It did not crease or happen anything. So I'm going to wear this foundation for another 2-3 hours, although I'm wearing it from 3:30, and now it's already 8:45, quarter to, sorry, 7:45. It's already 7:45. So I'm going to wear it for more 1 or 2 hours, and then I will be showing you the last clip, and then I'll be giving up the review. So guys, you can see it's been really long time now. It's 9 o'clock at night, and now I'm going to remove my makeup. So before that, I'm just going to show you like how the foundation is looking. So they're still having a good coverage. You can see there's no no patches, no crease or anything. The concealer is also nice. It little bit creases, and it a little bit got dimmed in the coverage, like it got little blackish over here. So otherwise the coverage of the foundation and the concealer is good. So it's a yay from my side for oily skin girls. So guys, I hope the demo and the clip was quite helpful for you. So let's come to the foundation first. So this is the bottle. So I already told that it is a glass bottle, so it is not at all travel friendly, but the pump which it comes is quite good. But this is a very matte foundation, guys. I am an oily skin type. It still feels a little matte on my skin, so I will definitely not recommend to dry skin people. So this my shade is golden, and this retails for 1300, but I definitely got it on discount because इतना पैसा कौन खर्च करेगा एक फाउंडेशन पे. So I highly recommend this. Get this only on discount because it's not that worth it. It is definitely a full coverage foundation. You can see I had quite many spots. If you have seen the starting of the demo, then you could have seen I have quite many spots over here, but it definitely covers it all. So this is definitely a very full coverage condition. Sorry, what is wrong with me? It is definitely full coverage foundation condition. What I am telling. So, but I do not recommend this to dry skin people. I definitely recommend this to oily skin. If you have oily skin, you can definitely go with this foundation because this is quite matte. And if dry skin people, if you want to use a very full coverage foundation, if you want to get this, I would recommend you to first prep your skin really well. Use oil or some strobe cream like that with this. Then I think it might work well. Also, this foundation really blends well with the beauty blender. I saw, like with the brush, it gives some patches. It leaves some patches. It was leaving some patches over here. So I would recommend to use a beauty blender when you're using this foundation. Also guys, one more con which is over here is, if you can see, like the foundation has stuck over the pump hole. Like, can you see that? So when you're pumping it, so that a little bit of hard foundation comes out, if you can understand what I'm trying to say, it balls up a little bit over there. So that is a very big con. I feel like, because this is a very thick foundation, guys. This is really very thick foundation, but it definitely blends really well. So yeah, definitely this is a very thick foundation as it is a very full coverage foundation. So but if you use a beauty blender, trust me, that it blends really well. You can see this side, like it blended really well over this side, but over this side you can see it left some patches, like some strokes. It did not blend, like if you touch over this side it's not that smooth, but over this side you can see it feels like skin. So this is definitely a good foundation. You can definitely invest it, but if you are an oily skin girl, not a dry skin girl. And now let's get to this concealer. So one con is definitely that this is not my shade. You can definitely see my eyes are looking really bright, but it's looking good because the foundation is quite dark, so it's looking quite good. And the shade which this is true beige, so this is quite light on my skin. This is also a very full coverage concealer, guys. Like you need to use a little bit. I had used quite a lot over this side, and beauty blender really blended out really nice, and I used quite little over this side, and I needed to reapply a little bit. You must have seen in the demo. I would again say that this blends really well with the beauty blender, not with the brush. If you can see in the demo, I was really I was getting irritated because it's not blending really nice. So blended really nice with the beauty blender, and this has a quite good yellow tone to it. If you can see, it has quite a nice yellow tone to it. So this definitely brightens up your eyes really nice. And the foundation also has quite a good yellow tone. It is so full coverage, guys. It's so full coverage. So definitely both the products are really full coverage, and as it says can't stop won't stop, it is like can't stop won't stop, you get the full coverage. So if you're a full coverage girl just like me, so you can definitely invest in this. I feel the concealer is a much better investment than the foundation, because concealer we need basically full coverage over here, and also you can spot correct with concealers. So if you get the concealer, it's enough. You don't need to buy the foundation. And the concealer is not that matte. It is little matte, but not as matte as the foundation. This is quite good under your eyes. So I really like the concealer than the foundation. I'm not a great fan of this foundation, but the concealer is really nice. So let's just sum up the points, the pros and cons. So first I'm going to go with the foundation. Pro number 1, it is full coverage. Pro number 2, it is available in many shades. Pro number 3, it blends beautifully. Pro number 4, it gives you an amazing finish. It gives you a matte finish for oily skin, but if you're a dry skin, then no. And yeah, those are the pros. And if we talk about the cons, then it is very thick. Con number 7, the pump. I'm not a huge fan of the pump because the foundation is so thick that it literally like dries up over here and it sticks over here. So when you're pumping again, it creates a mess. And yeah, pro number 3, it is very matte, like it's too matte according to me, but many people like matte foundation, so they might like this foundation as well, but according to me it's quite matte. Yeah, that was all about the foundation. And now the concealer. The concealer, pro number 1, it is full coverage. Pro number 2, it is available in quite many shades. And pro number 3, it blends beautifully. Pro number 4, for the foundation as well as this concealer, it stays for a really long time. And sorry, I forgot to mention one con for the foundation, that is it leaves dry patches. If you're a dry skin girl, it will definitely leave dry patches on your skin. I am an oily skin girl, but still it cluns up really like over here, and it doesn't look good after a long time. And I don't the only con over here, it is like if it is dried up, like if it sits for a long time, then you might like get a difficulty on blending it. You need to blend instantly when you're applying this concealer. So that is one con with this. That was all about the pros and cons. Also it is quite expensive. So I forgot to mention the price of the concealer, which is around 800, and I got it on discount around 500 or 600. So this was this two foundation and concealer. That was the review on it. So guys, that was all about the review of the foundation and concealer from NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation and Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. Can't Stop Won't Stop. The name is really nice, catchy name actually. So that was all about the review. If you guys like the review, then you know what to do. That is thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and comment. Also share with your friends as well. So you need to do this, guys, because that is the motivation of doing more videos. So do share it with your friends. If you like the video, comment down and give a big thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon beside it. Till then, stay healthy and stay beautiful. Bye bye.